Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do the like me edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to the text section here, and I'm just going to, you can do this trend however you like. Obviously this is just an example. I just really like spicy food. I don't know, everybody likes spicy food, but other people's food. Just going to make it bold. You can use any font that you want. I'm just going to use the bolder font, and I'm just going to adjust the color here. So on this one I want to add a glow, like a red glow here. Oops. Like this maybe. And then here I'm going to type in like my food. And you can I'm just going to bring this up though, like here maybe. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. And then here, and then I'm going to go to media and get like a green screen of the skull that you see a lot on memes. Just find green screen skulls. Oh my god, which one do I need? Okay, this one is the one I need. I'm not gonna lie, this is cringe, but I need to do this tutorial. Okay, I'm just going to put it here. Just going to adjust this a little. Go to, hold on, when does the skull come in? Oh, right about here. Okay, let me just remove that. And then, oh my gosh, how? Okay, I'm just going to make it a little bit speedier. As if that's a word. Okay, this is supposed to be, what? How short is this? Hold on, guys, let me make this a little bit longer than it has to be. Oh my gosh, can you? There. Let me just remove this. I'm just going to do it on one clip, but you can... maybe this is good enough. Let me speed this down a little. Okay, there we go. Let me just adjust that. Go to the remove background section. Select the chroma key. Why did I select custom removal? Select the green area and then adjust the intensity. It's going to look weird on the transition itself, but I'm just going to add shadow. You can also feather the edges a little bit here, and I'm just going to scale it up as well. It looks really whack. And then here for the animation, you're going to do the in animation. I'm lagging. At the swing right one. Adjust the duration a little bit. Okay, I need to. Let me just place this in the middle. And you can kind of add in the filter. I know sometimes people add in the black and white filter or other filters. So just cut that out and then add in just a filter to this. Why is it adding it also on this? Okay, it should just be on this one. So I'm just going to go to the adjustments tab here and just turn down the saturation. Okay, I don't know why it's also, oh, because the emoji is in black and white, duh. I'm just going to turn down the exposure a little bit. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.